In the second one, I'm going to use this and this. Okay, this and this. Soursop and a whole pineapple. So we're going to do this like I did the other time. Okay, so I'm going to get over this. It's actually very good, you can see. Make sure your hands are clean. I'm just going to remove the cup. Get the core out of it. So as these ones are, you can still glean on it, especially this, so that you don't have anything wasted. You can still glean on some of the peels. You can still get something from it. But all these ones don't even taste well because you can glean on all of this. So over here we have everything when it is peeled. That's the soursop, and then we have pineapple. So we'll get our juicer right now. We decide to remove the seeds before adding. And if you need some pineapple juice, you can just drink this, or give it to someone who is interested. I'm going to turn this into this so that I can use the container. So I'm going to set this aside, and here is what I have. Here are the chaff. This a half teaspoon. I'm gonna just put half of this. So meaning I sprinkled a quarter cinnamon into this. So see what I'm doing here? Cinnamon powder. I'm going to be mixing it. I just mix it. Just mix it. So I'm going to also pour the remaining one. Actually, we got exactly 1 cup. I'm going to be pouring this bottle. Here you have it.